Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news the US downgrade is seeing the trend of higher interest rates extend. And in the US, we have more negative signals. The Conference Board's leading economic index plunged by 1% in April after declining sharply by 0.8% in March. This indicator has fallen by 2% in the 6-month period ending April and is now just shy of signalling recession, they say. But is actually back lower than in the last Trump presidency when there was recession. In Canada, their largest province has announced a budget that is prioritising higher spending and larger deficits in the coming year in a direct effort to protect Ontario. The next federal Canadian budget isn't due until at least September, however. In China, retail sales there rose by 5.1% in April from the same period a year ago, moderating from March's over one-year high of 5.9% and missing market estimates of 5.5%. Another positive data release from China came in their industrial production, which grew by a claimed 6.1% in April from a year ago, and better than the expected 5.5% gain. Meanwhile, though, electricity production rose only 0.9% in April, hardly supporting the much stronger industrial production data. In the EU, their economy is projected to grow by 1.1% in 2025 and 1.5% in 2026, and both are downgrades from the levels forecasted last autumn there. This is according to the European Commission's spring outlook. On the inflation front, disinflation is now expected to proceed more rapidly than previously anticipated. Inflation in the Eurozone is projected to ease to 2.1% mid this year, reaching the ECB's target earlier than previously expected, and decline further to 1.7% next year. And later today at 4:30 New Zealand time, the Australian Central Bank will review its cash rate target, currently at 4.1%. It is widely expected to be cut by 25 basis points to 3.85%. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.47% and up 3 basis points from yesterday, but curves are steeper. And the price of gold will start today at $3,227 an ounce, up $25 from yesterday. And oil prices are holding again today at just over $62.50 a barrel in the US, but the international Brent price is 50 cents lower at $65 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 58.9 US cents, up 10 basis points from yesterday at this time. Against the Aussie were unchanged at 91.8 Australian cents. Against Euro were also unchanged at 52.7 Euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today still just over 67.5 and up 10 basis points from yesterday. And you can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.